My name is Dr. Eugenio. I am a board-certified ophthalmologist, fellowship-trained in cornea, external diseases, and refractive surgery, with over 35 years of experience in the practice of ophthalmology. I am here today to talk to you about the DEA, the dry eye analyzer equipment made by Moptim, which helps in diagnosing and treatment of the dry eye syndrome. As we all know, dry eye syndrome is prevalent in our population. From a clinical perspective, it is important to properly diagnose the variant of dry eye syndrome the patient has. That way we can properly manage it. From a business standpoint, return of investment is crucial, and most insurance companies will typically cover the studies. The diagnostic procedure involves testing up to 7 different tests. Those include non-invasive tear breakup time, tear meniscus height, interferometry to measure the lipid layer of the tears, mammography to visualize meibomian glands, redness of the conjunctiva to measure inflammation, fluorescein staining of the cornea and the conjunctiva, and last, eyelid height. There may be several different types of equipment utilized in the market for diagnosing dry eye syndrome. However, the DEA by Moptim is by far the most comprehensive, providing 7 different modalities in order to properly diagnose the condition. The DEA software has 3 different protocols depending on the number of tests that you want to perform. The FAST protocol performs 4 different tests. The standard protocol gives you 6 different tests, and you can go to the customized protocol, which will give you 7 different tests for dry eye syndrome. Not only is the DEA extremely valuable in regards to managing patients with dry eye syndrome, but it's also very cost effective. The DEA equipment is extremely easy to utilize and very user-friendly. You can teach your technicians within a short period of time how to become experts with the equipment. Furthermore, the testing is done relatively fast, with a fast testing taking approximately 4 minutes and the standard testing taking approximately 5 minutes to perform. The equipment is attached to pre-existing equipment in your office, thereby avoiding the need to purchase additional equipment to install. The DEA dry eye analyzer made by Moptim has become a valuable tool in the management of my dry eye patients. I hope you consider researching and trying out the equipment. Thank you very much for your time.